us. These guys are taking this personal.
You were only supposed to create a diversion, Roman.
That was complete destruction. What you want from me? I'm Roman Pierce, man. It's what I do. Phase 2. Phase 2? What's phase 2? Bounds away. Holy shit.
Following the defeat of Deckard Shaw and Mouse Chicande, Dominic Dom Toretto and Letty Ortiz are on their honeymoon in Havana when Dom's cousin Fernando gets in trouble owing money to local wrestler Raldo. Sensing Raldo is a loan shark, Dom challenges Raldo to a race beating Fernando 1950 Chevrolet Fleetlines against Raldo 1956 Ford Chevrolet Crown Victoria and wagering his own 1961 Chevrolet Impala. After narrowly winning the race and destroying the Fleetline in the process, Doms allow Raldo to keep his car, saying his respect is enough, and leave his cousin with his own car. The next day, an elusive cyber terrorist named Zipper forces Dom into working for her by showing him an unseen photo or video on her phone. Shortly afterward, DSS agent Luke Hobbs recruits Dom and his team comprising of Letty, Roman Pierce, Tej Parker, and Ramsey to help him retrieve an EMP device from a military outpost in Berlin. During the getaway, Dom goes rogue, forcing Hobbs off the road and stealing the device for Zipper. Hobbs gets arrested and locked up in the same high-security prison which holds Deckard Shaw. After Deckard and Hobbs both escape the prison, intelligent operative Mr. Nobody and his protege Eric Krishner recruits Deckard and Hobbs to help the team find Dom capture Zipper. Deckard reveals that Zipper had hired his brother Owen to steal the Nightset device and Mouse Chicande to steal God Eyes, Ramsey's software program from the last movie. The team tracks Dom and Zipper to their place, moments before the latter to attack the base, causing injuries to the team and stealing God Eyes. Roman suggests that they call Brian in to help them on why Dom betrayed the team, but Letty rejects the idea as they made a promise not to bring him and Mia into any more dangerous activities for the sake of their children. The reason why Doms want to join the Cypher because Cypher was arrested Dom's ex-lover and DSS agents Elena Neves and their son. In New York City, Cypher sent Doms to retrieve a nuclear football held by the Russian Minister of Defense. Prior to the theft, Dom briefly evades Cypher and persuades the Deckard and Owen's mother, Magdalene, to help him. Cypher hacks into the electronic system of many cars, remotely controlling them via autodrive, causing them to disable the convoy so that Dom can take the football. The team intercepts Dom in their vehicle, but Dom escapes shooting and seemingly killing Deckard in the process. Letty catches up to Dom, but is ambushed and early killed by Cypher and Force. Connor Rhodes before Dom stops him from killing Letty. Cypher has Rhodes execute a tied-up Elena in front of a helpless Dom. Dom in a 96A got charged infected a military suppressed base in Russia to use the EMP device to disable their security and to disable a nuclear submarine, enabling Cypher to hijack it and attempt to use its arsenal to trigger a nuclear war. Meanwhile, Deckard, who fakes his death, teams up with Owen and Ed McClellan with his infrared Cypher plans to rescue Dom's son. Once Deckard reports that the child is safe, Dom turns on Cypher and kills Rhodes. Before rejoining his team, infrared Cypher fires an infrared homing missile at Dom, but he breaks away from his team and maneuvers around it, causing the missile to hit the submarine instead, causing an explosion that destroyed Dom's vehicle. Deckard reaches the front of the plane and confronts Cypher, who escaped by jumping from the plane with a parachute. Mr. Nobody and his protege visit Dom, his team in New York City to report that Cypher is still at large in Athens. Hobbs gets offered his DSS job back, but he declines in order to spend more time with his daughter. Deckard delivers Dom his son, putting his difference aside with Dom and Hobbs. Dom names his son Brian and celebrates with his friends.